Why is it so high? You can go live.
Give me 1 second. Three, 2, 1.
Yo, what's going on, Chad? I hope you guys are well. It is time for some Wall Street sessions with this beautiful gray wall we've got behind us. Chris, you ready for this one, brother?
Hey, man. What do we say? Brazzers.
Brazzers. For the gentlemen, yeah. It's the Brazzers casting room.
Issue that we know what that casting room looks like, Chad. That's the only issue. But anyways, that was in our BC days. But yeah,
guys, it is time for some more TPs, more dates. I hope you guys are ready for it. It's going to be a good one. London session already kicking us off quite well, but I think we are ready for even more. We were just having the appetite, the starters. But now it's time for the main course. We're going to see what we got there. We got some news coming out in a little bit. I think basically an hour from now. But going to be very, very interesting for us. I think some big moves still to come in today. Chris, you still looking for some trades today? Or are you going to be taking a little backseat this afternoon?
No. That's the thing in life. If there's momentum and something is in motion, then you keep going. There's no need. Think of it this way, Chad. If you got a heavy vehicle that you're pushing and that vehicle starts to move, you don't stop then. You keep it going up until it just starts to become easy. So no, I think the momentum is on our side. I still told you I'm going to be bleak. I got my card details now here. If you end the day 4% up on your prop firm account, and I haven't started mine, so I'm getting mine right now. Okay, so but yeah.
But yeah, guys, I think that is pretty much perfect. I think we can pretty much start getting over to the charts. As I said, let's just look at the fundamentals quickly. We basically just have 3:45 final PMI coming out, and then we've got at 4 o'clock the main ISM manufacturing. So literally going to be interesting for us to see what we get there after market open.
Before we start, we have to pray though. So let me know when you want to pray.
Do you want to pray before we start trading, or before we
let's
analyze?
pray. Are you ready?
I'm ready, brother.
Chad, like we said from last week, we're doing the double prayer. We just we're not leaving any door open for the enemy. We're just closing all the doors. We just cover every cross section, every windowsill, everything covered. So bow your heads, keep your eyes open, keep your hearts open. You can close your eyes, but keep those hearts open, Chad. So we're just going to quickly pray before we start this session, to make sure that we are covered. So Chad, our Father who art in heaven, thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for the opportunity that we get to spend time with our fellow traders here, perfecting our craft, giving us the ability to be healthy, to go and excel at what we do. Father, I pray that your hand will be over the session. I pray that your hand will be over every person watching the stream. Thank you for your blessing. Thank you for your mercy. Thank you for your guidance. I pray that your spirit will guide Keegan as he goes through this session. I pray that your spirit will guide me as we go through this session. And any success that we gain out of what we do, I pray that we will stay humble. I pray that we will reflect all the glory onto you. And we want to say thank you. And all of the honor, all of the glory goes unto you. And we pray and we ask this in Jesus' mighty name. I almost wanted to say multiple name, but in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. There we go.
Baby.
Ready.
Let's get it, guys. So let's start off here with the DXY. As you mentioned to you guys, we wanted to be trading a bit more bullish down here, so we can see we had this massive turnaround coming back down, testing that weekly supply. And remember, we said to you guys this morning we needed to see this thing hold. That was the final stance for the dollar, and that thing had one hell of a final stance, turning around, coming bullish after that. On the 30-minute, trading right back up, as you can see, breaking up, giving us that pullback, holding that S2, and then trading for those Asia highs, which were untested. So again, untested on the Asia highs, but then running into again that 200 and the previous daily low with some rejection there. We also had that key level of 105.300 in play again now. So first things we want to take note of is if we start breaking lower again and we fail, if we get some type of retest and we fail and hold this resistance, we can start at a bit of a downwards momentum again. But personally, I don't want to see that. I want to see us trading more bullish. So even though we are here, I'd like to see this thing start holding above that 105.300, especially where myself, I'm actually going to say I'm going to be looking probably for a more bullish, a bullish outlook with the news for the dollar. So we're going to see something like that start coming around. That would be ideal for what I want to see. Our daily pivot EQ nice and above there. We also got this wick. This wick had a quick motion to the top side this morning to go fill that gap, but now we want to see that wick also get filled. So very easy turnaround we can get here on DXY. Going over to NASDAQ, again trading all the way down here. We've had our lows tested, again breaking, having that fake out on the downside, almost retesting the previous daily lows and failing there, turning around. But the one thing is, even though that was the previous daily low, we had that little wick out, so you have taken them in a sense. Now turning around, if this thing can start holding above Asia lows, we could see another break coming around, going back for Asia highs, get above this resistance area, and then your daily pivot in those areas all become a target. But again, lining up with what we're saying with the DXY, why is that not getting deleted? What we're saying with DXY is if DXY can go bullish, this in theory has been what is going on here? Like everything's like just freaking out. My whole thing is like going crazy and nothing's working.
Isn't your magnet on?
My magnet.
Yeah, there's a magnetic thing. I think check that hyperlink thing, that blue in the left here. No, yeah, all the way to the left. What is that?
New drawings are replicated to all charts in the layout and shown with the same ticker.
Put that off.
I don't know what the hell that is.
Maybe that's what's causing it to.
I don't know, but this thing was going crazy over here. But we've had that nice move to the top side. Now we're going to see that again, lower move, pull back to the pivot, again holding. But the thing is, that is your retest, if you want to say a second retest. So that's what I don't like about that. But now if we can get back under Asia lows, very simple move to the downside. But as long as we're above here, in between the pivot and the Asia lows, this is a no man's land. I don't want to touch it yet. So anything above the pivot, we can see the buys as we can't get away from this resistance area. But if we come to staying under Asia lows, the sells are back on to go take those previous daily lows. So just keep an eye out for that. Going over to US 30, what we are going to be looking for over here, very, very simple. We have traded up, so a lot of momentum, kind of holding these highs over here, failing to get to that weekly pivot, and now getting back under that support zone or support. So now what we are seeing here is the close underneath. You kind of starting to hold as resistance. So there's your first test, your second test, similar to what we had on the gold trade this morning. Now we can see as again DXY starts come to the party. We're going to see that move to the downside. You've now got these weak Asia lows. That becomes a nice target for you, and you can do the same thing. Start aiming to fill that wick and go all the way back down to the previous daily low. So you can have a nice big sell-off on US 30 if we do see that dollar strength come in over here. Then lastly, with gold, as I said to you guys, personally, I would like to see the buys more. But again, what we have had with today's move is, remember, we had this wick over here. We've kind of tried going for that wick fill, but getting stuck at that key level roundabouts over there, hitting the daily R1, and literally big rejection over there. So I always said to you guys, we wanted to go, if you're in Project G, we said the previous weekly high was going to be a nice target for us, and now we have fallen quite a bit short of that. Obviously trading up, the daily R1 holding rock solid and bringing us all the way back down. So very, very simple for me. We can maybe get some type of trade up again, or I wouldn't even say up, it's just consolidating here until that news comes out around the daily pivot and the EQ. And as I say, if we do get that dollar strength, the sells are going to be on big time, and we can even go see those previous daily lows being taken out now, which were holding earlier. So now we want to see them really be targeted and taken out, and start aiming more for the daily S1 and even the weekly support to start aiming for. But again, once we're at this weekly pivot, that will be the make or break. So literally this previous weekly low, daily, weekly pivot, all of that going to become quite a crucial area for gold. But if we do hold this and that doesn't come out as dollar strength, again, very much game on for the buys, and we can be going all the way up to 23.46 in my opinion. So going to be an interesting one, but again, very dependent on what that news comes out as today. So just going to be patient and wait for that.
Is that you?
That's me, brother.
Shot, man. Chad, okay, beautiful. For the guys that weren't here this morning, I think let's do a quick top-down analysis. Weekly time frame, let's quickly go through the weekly. Weekly, I did mention I'm bullish. I'm bullish on the dollar while we hold above the previous weekly low, all the way down there. Actually set an alert, key level. Daily, however, bearish. And you can say, Chris, why are you bearish? Obviously, confirmed resistance, breaking a previous daily low. There was a lot showing me that we want to go bearish. However, we need to actually monitor Friday's low. So I'm going to set an alert there. Previous daily low, because that is important for me, because once we get to that level, that's going to determine whether we're going to continue bullish, and this was just the pullback for the weekly, or whether we're going to continue bearish. 4 hour time frame, yet to test that weekly pivot level, came short. Previous daily low got tapped, and actually we've got an indicator for that. Beautiful, look at that. Previous daily low. 5 minute time frame, what do we have on the 5? Look at that. That is why I say it is important. if you stick around long enough, you're going to learn something, a few things on our streams. But that is why a previous daily low becomes important, because that could just be the pullback, and we can go and actually today take out that daily low all the way down here. So for me, very simple, going into the session, that is the key level up there, previous daily low. And then also if we start rejecting here, then this key level down here. So two levels actually to consider, 105.23 and then obviously 105.33. So big thing is we basically came back to the Sunday open, where technically we opened up on Sunday. So news coming out could be a little bit choppy going into the rest of the session. US 30, for those guys that missed it this morning, we are neutral in the week just due to the fact that we are in this weekly consolidation hold. Daily, what do we have on the day? Very, very choppy. 3 consecutive bullish daily candle closures. Only concern for me is that we have yet to move bullish really significantly, so keep an eye out for that. 4 hour time frame, look at that, 4 hour, very, very choppy. Look at that top wick, look at that bottom wick. This is all basically just chopping the traders. All right, 5 minute. There we go. That was the zone earlier today. What we said was the key zone. Still a key zone for me. However, look at the 80. Starting to show some signs of trading below. But again, if we can trade above here a little bit later after the news, this thing is going to skyrocket. Otherwise, if we keep rejecting there, we are looking lower. Also, one thing to consider, multiple sweeps of take those Asia lows, at least something like this, just to counter it, just to stay with the theme of chopping traders. All right, NASDAQ on the weekly, I am also neutral. Inside week, okay, now I'm talking cock. We took the previous weekly low, but we didn't take the high, so that is not a swing formation for me. Daily neutral. We took the previous daily low. Look at this. Let's actually just do this as well. All right, so we've got previous daily low. If we're going to continue lower, we're going to need to break through that level. Otherwise, we are not continuing lower. That was just the liquidity sweep. Because Project G, guys, why is the previous daily low important? If you don't know by now why previous daily low or previous daily high is important, then I don't know what to tell you. Chad, talk to me. All right, as in good old fashion of a news day, Asia high swept, Asia low swept, nicely back in the middle, just confusing everybody. And that is why this morning, okay, sorry, just to get back to this, buys above Asia highs, very simple. I said it this morning as well, can't buy it below the 200. If anything, we need to get back above the 200 5-minute EMA, okay? Otherwise, we're still going lower, all right? Nothing here yet, but we're going to see how we open up. Similar to gold, what did I tell you guys this morning, what I feel like afternoon? On a news day, do not expect anything to really trend. So we took our buys earlier this morning. Keegan took his buys from here. I took my buys from there. And if we were greedy and we sat through all of this, we are literally back where we started. And that's exactly what I told you guys this morning. On a news day like today, they're going to bring it back to equilibrium. And believe it or not, where's the daily open for gold? The daily open is right there.
We're literally on it now. We're 0.00 on the day.
So if you don't believe me, Chad, look at what gold did. Gold is literally flat on the day. And that's why I said this morning, I'm not going to be greedy. because I've seen this movie so many times where you're greedy and they bring it back right in the middle and they're going to move it again. So we technically, we haven't moved, if you think about it. In terms of Newton's laws, we have not moved. So we've got another fresh set of volume coming in exactly 39 minutes, okay? What am I doing on gold today? That is the question. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's where we entered this morning. So if I sat through all of this, all of that, just to come back down here, that would be sad. Okay. So what am I looking at? Let's just take away this 10 pip gang and the 1-1 gang. For the guys that missed it, this morning's session was incredible. All right. Let's quickly look at what we've got going on here. So we've taken Asia lows, we've taken Asia highs. AD is still bullish. Okay. Okay. Chat, very simple for me on gold. I'm looking at 23.30. I'm looking for buys above there, and I am looking for potential sells. Potential sells below here. Okay, very, very simple for me. It is going to be a very simple session. Sells below here, buys above there. This is what I want to say is going to be the chop zone. This is the zone that we ideally want to stay out of. Okay, but the rest is very simple. Yeah, Project G members, the bot is ready. Francha, we're having a meeting with him tomorrow.
Yeah, well, not even a meeting. He's literally coming to install it tomorrow.
Yeah, so tomorrow the bot will be installed. So for all the Project G members, every single trade will be sent to the alert section. So you will be alerted when we enter, when we exit, when we modify. Everything fully automated from our trading terminals. So,
and also, guys, a big win for us. Paystack is on board. So for the guys that were asking about the payments and stuff, you can go onto the 2G's thing right now, and you can literally do a normal Visa payment, all those type of things like you would with your broker, with Vault Funder, with everything else you can do with 2G's now.
All right, Keeks, that's me. Back to your session, brother.
Perfect, bro. I'm just trying to see there. Yeah.
New office vibes. Yes. Still nothing in the office here. Literally just the bare minimum. Studio coming along.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
We haven't done an office tour yet. The office is not finished, Chad. We don't even have a kitchen. All of the cabinets, everything coming tomorrow. The painter's coming in tomorrow to do the last touch-ups. After the move, there was a lot of nicks against the door handles and all of that. But
so, officers coming along. Chad, just to answer you there, how's the indicator coming along? Indicators are perfect. As you look on my screen, I'm literally still using it. I have been using it since I got it last week. And I'm honestly enjoying it. There is a few little tweaks we're making still, but I'd probably say the trade alert with the bot thing is installed tomorrow. I'd probably say before the end of this week, latest maybe next week.
No, before the end of the week.
Before the end of the week, the indicator will be done. Yeah. Let's just say, no, because I know from my side, I'm happy. I just don't know if you must make changes on your one.
It's just the accumulation distribution, the EMAs that's not showing. I know it's just little lines of code.
There is a thing about the accumulation distribution, but I must just tell you about that. Okay. We already have sorted that.
Oh, is it already sorted? Yeah. Okay. No, Chad, then I'm happy. It's literally line types. I'm going to literally sit and play with it.
Yeah. So literally, okay, yeah. So
I'm happy.
The trade alerts bot will be installed by tomorrow. And then the indicator will be done by the end of the week. So as you said, guys, new office, big moves. We're going to be making some progress now.
2G's beta layout. Let me actually use it for the session. Yeah, it just threw me off the line types that 1 week. Like I was.
Yeah, Lyndon, can I make my name to resub? Yeah, you can make it your name, brother, because obviously you will be in the system already. Yeah, so we can just check who your name is now. But as I said, Lyndon, we've just been busy with admin. I'm going to get to everything probably this evening So obviously I'm not going to make guys pay, and then let's say for example you still have like someone like that Lotterin. He literally signed up I think on Saturday, so he technically has a whole 30 days still, and now he must repay. It doesn't work like that. It's 30 days from when you signed up.
Yeah.
So we're not going to cheat you guys out. So I'm not going to say just go sign up now already. We'll get your email to kind of notify you like, listen, it's time to re-sign up, and then you can do your payments. But yeah, you can use your name as your reference if it's your re-sign up.
Oh, but yeah, it's working. I think, okay, it's just the 80 I'm not
busy
seeing.
with bottles. Hey, nah, all good, bro, all good. But as you said to the guys, I said to the guys last night on the call, I actually told the guys, because we will give you a 5 days grace, I actually told the guys to hold off, because some of the guys really wanted to pay last night and resubscribe. I told them to hold off because we were going to have pay stack on soon. And if you do it that option, we're actually going to have it that you can set it as a debit order, so that you don't have to always do it in the future.
Paystack, big. I think we're one of the few guys that provide a service and actually have a PSP.
I think that was a big win for us, bro.
Chad, tell me any other guys that have PSPs. Anyone doing signals?
I know all the guys
in South Africa.
No, I'm saying I know the guys. Jason, the big boys, Jason, Joash, all of them. They are literal the same things. Like you do a bank transfer to.
No, but that's what I'm saying.
No, but that's what I'm saying. So these are the big boys. So I really don't know who else has a.
Chad, and the reason for that is these PSPs go through your copyright. They go through your legal documents. They go through all of this. And then they have to say, listen, yeah, we can't list you because you're a high risk.
Mistizio, we're not saying alpha markets. I'm saying specific to the trader. So not alpha, the mentorship. So for example, if you want to trade NFP, that's not even a mentorship. But if you want to trade that with Jason, you're not paying through a PSP. You're doing a normal bank transfer. And then you got to send proof of payment and all that crap. The Discord name we provide for Prodigy, is it our display name or username? More preferably the username, because some guys could have similar display names, but we should be able to pick it up either way. But yeah, the username is the better one.
I think this is the wrong one I've got in terms of indicators. Let me try again.
1 minute till market open, guys.
1 minute.
1 minute.
2 G's, Chris. Let's just see.
Mad Charge does have a pay.
That's PayPal. That's not card.
Yeah.
PayPal is like scammers' dreams. They don't read into any legal docs. The thing is, if you get listed with Ozao and Paystack and Payfast, these guys their legal team actually does a due diligence on the copyright of your entire website, and they can literally tell you, listen, yeah, we're not giving you, we're not gonna give you services. Because ultimately, if you're running a scam, Chad, it's going to come back to the PSP. Why did you accept somebody that's a scammer to sell products?
US City jumping, guys, and the market's literally only open now.
Okay, there you go.
And round 2 in the new offices begins. And fight.
Sheesh, there we go.
Let's see what happens. Yeah, but USD jumping before the market even opened. Okay, keep in mind, guys, we've got a first batch of news coming out at 3:45. So as the 15-minute shuffle ends, and then 4 o'clock, the big one we want to watch out for. Okay, there's US30 going for it. NASDAQ going bearish. So again, they're going opposite to each other. No Vuvuzela. Bro, we must get a Vuvuzela. We can make as much noise as we want to now, guys. We don't have anyone to worry about.
We can park where we want.
Chris can finally get his air horn now. I think we might go deaf in the office, but...
Yes, dude. Imagine an air horn here. Let me actually, I just want to get into my proper count.
I must say, guys, I am liking almost the rebuys again over here. But as I said, we want to see more of that bearish thing. That rebuys can kind of be the fake out ahead of the news. So yeah, sells definitely going to be the plan of action here today for me, guys. I just want to see something. We fell that a little bit short. Okay. That would be a little bit of a problem.
What's that?
No, with this one strategy, we actually fallen a little bit short of it. If you're in Project G, we gave you a little bit of a hint on the first boot camp coming up.
It's this weekend, yeah.
This weekend, there's
baby.
the first boot camp, and in the first
Big.
boot camp, I dropped something already from my side, a little strategy we're going to be diving into for the guys. And this is a strategy, guys. I know some big traders that charge a lot of money for this. So we're going to be diving into that.
Keys, but why don't you put it into a course and sell it for thousands of dollars?
Bro, we could do that. But I think the Project G guys, they're the G's. The young G's, so they can get it. As we said, guys, there's going to be things I was saying to the guys about, and that's the thing. It's not I wouldn't say in that way. We're not selling a program. We're not selling a course. We're selling knowledge. And the thing is, for example, the guys that were the early birds, maybe when they were the ones who were part of the first boot camp, that was a topic we covered. But then who knows when we will cover that topic again in the future. So that's kind of the thing of where you will have to play catch up with it.
Yo, US 30, my bro.
Taking off.
The boys were ready to buy. Sheesh. Yo.
Game on for US 30.
US 30 just said, all onto my beer. I'm not coming back. US 30 just
and
said,
again, NASDAQ still doing the opposite, eh? NASDAQ still doing the opposite.
Yeah.
And gold also holding the bearish move.
Dude, I can actually only have gold on my charts now these days.
Oh, man's loving gold, yeah.
Nah, it feels good to trade gold
Man's
again.
got that gold dust in the eyes.
It feels good to be back. When was it? I told you guys last year there was a time where I hardly took any losses on gold. It was just again just very dialed in with gold, and slowly but surely starting to get the nick of it.
Yeah, Fobs, bro. That's typical US study for you, bro. Typical US study. Yo, guys, what site can I use for news? You can use as in to read news or to see news releases. Just confirm that for me. But yeah, you can use investing.com. Nothing wrong with that. You've got Forex Factory. You've got FX Street. You can use any one of those.
Yeah, 5 lots. Okay. Alrighty. I just wanted to make.
You're giving us your time, a lot of time and effort, and time is money. Still dirt cheap for what we get. Hey, Kyle, you know what it's about, bro. You know what it's about. From Start to Dust to Cody Rhodes to Chris Effect.
Oh, wait, what is it? From Dusty Roads to Stakes. No, I'm kidding.
Since signing up, you've helped me move more than 10 times what it cost. I heard TUG is a dream car. Yo, bro, for me, there's a few.
One M3. M3 extra
bro, like,
than you.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
I always say there's a thing of a dream car.
Yeah.
And then there's the unrealistic dream car. Like, if you, for example, like money irrelevant. Money's not a thing. What car are you getting?
Me, a V12 Ferrari. What's the new one that came out? My previous one was the F12 Berlinetta that I loved, but
V12, not the super fast.
the super fast is a V12 though.
Yeah.
Yeah. So either that or the new one. They've got a new one that came out that replaces the Berlinetta and the super fast. They call it something.
I don't know.
I'll check. But that the V12 Ferrari for me. And you?
Bro. 100%
Scuba Darius. Okay.
Koenigsegg, bro.
A Koenigsegg.
Koenigsegg. The
looks,
Jesco.
It looks.
I was always a fan of the Regera,
Yeah.
but the Jesco, bro, with the big wang. Oh my word, that thing.
But then also GT3 RS, beautiful. GT3 RS definitely also something that I will consider. Save template. Let me just save this template quickly. Chat, I want to get into the chat now. I'm just setting up here on my side. Okay, I got my account, Keeks.
Did you get it?
Yeah, so it's up here. It is ready to rock.
Bro, I'm trying to think of it also. What's the... I can't think what it's called now, bro. There's like a very, very limited of them in the world. Like, I'm getting such a freaking...
The
blank.
Rimac.
No. The Veneno. The Lamborghini. It's the Veneno?
Is there a Veneno?
The
No
Veneno.
way.
Hold on.
No
The
way.
Veneno. It is a Veneno, eh, guys?
No
Full
way
carbon.
there's
Hold on.
There's no way there's a Veneno.
I'm pretty sure it's called the Veneno.
It's maybe the Panino, but not the Veneno. I'm kidding. Template, day trading.
Is the... Oh, the Veneno. Bro, that is one of the
is there a
sexiest cars
Is there a
alive.
Lambo called the Veneno?
Bro, just go search it. Just go search it.
Okay,
The
okay.
Veneno. Oh, my word. But I will also give credit because I think I saw someone say it there. Bro, the new Bugatti Tourbillon, whatever. That thing is insane, bro.
I saw it.
For the first time, the detail, but when the thing for me is, it actually looked insane, but even when they climbed in the inside, the interior on that car.
Stunning.
Holy crap.
That car is stunning, the amount of detail in that car.
No, that was insane. Bro, the amount of insane cars this world has.
Why my NASDAQ and my US 30 is not showing the change? Check here.
My NASDAQ is, my US 30 isn't.
Okay, my NASDAQ started showing now.
Yeah, my NASDAQ is, my US 30 isn't. I don't know why, but...
Okay, Chad, we've got 5 minutes left for the shuffle. Gold starting to break out above 23.30, that little gap zone. So keep an eye out for that. Are we going to continue? What time? That news in 21 minutes. They're actually expecting an increase, Chad. Very weird. Kiggs, let's say if something comes up now before the news, are you going to execute or are you going to wait for the news?
No, I'll wait for the news. Well, it depends. I'd have to see what it is. Andrew just ends up saying, just sign up for Project G. Just keep in mind, if you didn't use Paystack at that, obviously it's the first, I think you might be the first one since paying with Paystack then. We'll check that one up.
What is he saying?
But he just signed up for, he's saying he just signed up for Project G.
Beautiful.
But if you did the normal, just for, again, the guys that are still doing it that way, who did the manual bank transfers, if you do that option, obviously you only get added once we receive payment. So just a heads up for guys on that one. Obviously, again, you only count your 30 days from when you are added, and that is once we receive payment. But if you're doing the pay stack and all that, that's pretty much immediate.
Alrighty, Chad. Okay, US 30 at the highs of the week.
Alan, you're going to get that TP, bro. It's coming.
What is Alan doing?
He's saying he just needs one more TP, then he passes phase 1.
Beautiful, Alan. Well done too. Let's give a big shout out to, is it Stefan Grobler? Stefan Chad.
First Project G member getting funded, baby.
So please tell the guys what are we going to do with all of the Project G members that get funded.
Guys, and we thought about this, Stefan, you being the first one. Just to encourage the guys, you want the Project G members who are funded to share their results, to kind of motivate each other, push it and drive each other. We're going to have in the studio, so not even like in our offices, it will be in the studio, visible for people to see.
Wall of Fame.
We're going to have the Wall of Fame. And under that Wall of Fame, we're going to have a literal, your certificate of every Project G member that is funded.
Gets funded, yeah. So you will love
even if you get 10 funded accounts, you'll be on that wall 10 times.
Yeah.
But
you will live on that wall. Even if you lose your account, whatever, you got onto the wall.
Yeah, the USD is still going, bro.
Yeah, it is still running. I'm looking at gold. Remember, Chad, I said that this for me is the chop zone. Buys above here. My only thing is that this run away from us now, or are we actually going to come back to retest the pivot?
No, Stefan, I saw you posted it, bro. That's why we just mentioned it. But congrats to you, brother. So you'll be the first one on the Wall of Fame in the studio.
I used Paystack. Andrew, well done, my brother.
Awesome,
so it is working.
So it's working. Hey, good to know.
Keeg said US30 move was 3 pips away from my entry. Oh, did he take the break above? Chad, yeah, gold, I think we missed. If this was...
Ridwan, you can join anytime, bro. It's like a recurring thing, so you can join whenever you're ready.
Alrighty, Chad. I was hoping that this was the candle after the shuffle. Alright. So then we had a nice leg to go up. But let's see. The shuffle is now officially ending in 2 minutes. If we can get some type of pullback here, I'm more than happy to look for the longs.
And 2 minutes, we've got news coming up, bro.
No, it's a 2 minute. No, it's 18 minutes. 2
minutes. It comes out at quarter to,
but
and at 4 o'clock.
That's the lower one. That's the S&P.
No, I'm just saying you do have it. So
a little stack, a little
it's kind of like that first bullet is gonna come flying.
A little something. Okay, let me get into the chat here while I wait.
Do you guys have a free community? Yes, we do, brother. In the description is the free Discord.
Yeah, Chad, I think we need to, Keeks, almost like a church, have this list like, hey, here is the free community. Join the free community where we give you all of the entry setups and all of the strategy here. We also give you the trading plan all the way up here. Only charts, that is where you can share your charts with the community. Stream trade journal, which I have not updated in very, very long. But that is me.
Hey.
Yeah,
and journal your trades, young man.
Yeah, Chad. Yeah. I actually feel cuck for not journaling, but the streams is a journal. Community results, that's where you can post it. Book recommendations. This is in my off time. This is where I spend a lot of time. Me and Lethal Jukes. We're still looking for 3 team members, Chad.
Guys, I'm happy to join you, but you just gotta understand. No. I just gotta get the cobwebs off, bro.
No, we don't want. If you're bad at what's the name data, please don't join.
Just gotta get the cobwebs off, bro. Then that competitiveness comes out.
Go like a theme park to a roller coaster, like Robin. I got cracked the last 3 days on data.
Guys, we knew this question was coming. The first one on Monday, finding Kyle SA NFP thoughts. You'd have to join Project G, bro.
Definitely gonna buy and sell.
Join Project G and you'll find out what we're doing for NFP.
Okay, Chad, let's see that first little data coming out a little bit softer. Nothing major. Slightly softer. That's not gonna really do anything for the dollar. Let's just check here. Dollar index. Remember we said that is the level. US30 still pumping here, Chad. Still pumping. Be careful. Don't rush into trying to fade this.
Yeah, Andrew, you will automatically get added, bro. As you said, we're just still having an issue with our automated emails that should have gone out, but you will be automatically added probably by like this evening. So don't worry about it, bro. But you will be automatically added.
Gold. Okay. Chad, I wanna be aggressive. I really do want to be aggressive. The only thing is I wanted to take gold closer from 23.30 and not here, because we're already quite well extended here. Yeah, because the thing is we can literally before that news come all the way back down here to test that, and we can still get our entry here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait, Chad. I'm not gonna rush it.
I think waiting for news is just
Yeah.
for you, bro.
I would ideally love to get it here. It would just make a lot of sense if we come back here before news, retest that daily pivot. If it runs from here, beautiful. We already took our bag this morning. But yeah.
Finding Kyle, bro. It's pinned there in the chat, bro. Prodigy membership. Just click there and you can get into it. But I'm just confused which one you eyeing. US30, I spotted it but didn't enter. But 3 messages above, you said eyeing the sell on US30. So, I'm just confused, bro. Are you spotting the sell to come, or are you saying you spotted the bar?
Eyeing the sell on yesterday. No League of Legends. No. It's too arcadey. It's very arcade. Sorry, Kicks. Over to you. What am I doing? Why is it on my screen?
I think that daily key level might come into play here for us on gold again, guys. Again, I'm not going to try and force anything, guys. We had a banger trade this morning. So if we can't get something, we can't get something. But I am on the hunt here.
Yeah, Fed futures. Okay, July seems pretty. 4 weeks, no change there. September. Ooh. Yeah, so September is losing steam, eh? Market's starting to price in no cut in September. Yeah, Chad, like we said, the way that things are starting to look, I don't think we're going to get a cut out of the Fed this year. I don't think we're going to get a cut out of them. That's what I wanted to check here.
Let's just see what this news is going to do, guys. Just waiting for that. USD going for the previous day high. Yeah, I also agree. When you see what USD does at the 39,500 area. Chris, what does it mean if there's a cut? That's the cut in inflation, bro, in the interest rate.
I'm talking about rate cuts.
Yeah, let's just say the rate cuts.
Yeah, so that's when they actually cut interest rates. So I don't expect a rate cut this year.
So remember, that's where Powell still made the bluff in the beginning of the year, where he still said, if we're not cutting, there possibly could be a hike. So yeah, it's just talking about the interest.
Mestizo, you are gonna get a coupon code, not in terms of a rand value, but a percentage value, which is more than what the public will get.
Yeah. So, but also Mestizo, that is for the guys who, the moving forward, the guys get a discount code, but the guys who did still join and didn't get it from last
June,
month,
yes.
yeah, June will still get their 750 coupon code, but moving forward, it's a discount code. You guys
but a bigger discount. So it's technically in rand value, it's going to be more.
Yeah.
But it's just easier to manage than the coupon. The coupon is relatively tricky.
Yeah, it's been a pain for us.
NASDAQ just dying, bro.
That's
NASDAQ
they're
killing the
opposites,
previous.
yeah.
previous daily low, so one of them.
And I think it's US30, bro.
Guys, I can already tell you, I think Shaq went short on US30.
Quentin is here, so Quentin, let us know.
Who's that?
Quentin's the one that's in Shaq's group that always
Oh,
verifies what they're doing.
Yeah, I can already tell you, I think Shaq already took the shorts. Let me see if he is still in.
USD just pissed me off. Something chronic today.
Yeah, no, I think Shaq already. If I look at something here,
Lol. Quentin,
I
has
think
not gone in yet, but he was looking at shorts.
okay,
No, not yet.
okay.
Okay, thank you, G's, no problem. Oh, Wagwan Chad and the Mandam.
Who's
Mr.
that?
Kyle James in the
Hey,
building.
LLC, Wagwan.
Chris has always got to throw the LLC in there.
That is American. There's a lot of opportunities in America. Chad, who took those gold break of the eye? Be honest. There's no shame in saying you took the break of that 5. That's what I was looking for. But just be very careful with that news coming up.
I'm in the USD sell retracement. What's good aggressive 2G?
Yo, brother
man, bring in the heat.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I don't know where you entered, brother.
Nah,
this thing's just straight bullish. I don't know where you entered.
Bro, this thing can really hurt a few people here today. Really.
Your best bet for me is going to be this
Weekly
daily
R1
R1
or the
the
weekly.
previous, because the previous daily R is just above it. So you could see a bit of a pullback there, but yeah, for me, where we
Why
at
am I not
this
seeing the
momentum,
previous daily
there's
either?
a good chance. Yeah, if that does bounce, then yeah, your probably next bet's only going to be weekly resistance.
Where do you put? Oh, I do have it. Why is it not showing though? Let me.
Yeah, it's in the indicator.
I see it. I see it. Show previous. Oh, there's it, but mine's not giving me a tag for it.
Yeah, you have to do that thing.
The labels,
Yeah.
indicators, and financial value labels. No.
Oh, hold on.
Labels.
No, on the setting of the, if it wasn't there,
Yeah.
I think that's where we had to do it. Was
Show monthly.
there was a section there you had to choose show labels or something. Oh, no, then it is the other one, yeah. In the settings there on the price. No, but if yours shows,
It shows the line, but it's not showing a text there. But it's fine. It's not a.
that's weird.
Oh,
But mine, I just want to see it because I can look on mine.
okay. 7 minutes for the news chat.
At the top, as you open, is your show PS labels on?
Show.
PS
Yeah.
labels is you've got extended. Show.
Okay, but that's something I need to chat to him. I think it's something simple.
And at
show
the bottom,
session.
you have all the other ones on.
Show session iron. Line style. Okay, that's fine.
New offers, who dis? Hey, you know it, bro.
Mr. Chris, I shared my buy the Discord chat. Etienne Moorcroft, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you're not family of Quentin Moorcroft. Chad, go check it out. Quentin Moorcroft, the FSCA enforcement matter against him. I think for R1 million, 3 million rand. So Etienne, I hope you're not the same.
Damn.
Damn.
Son. Yo, look
I
at
think
that rejection.
I think Shaq is in now. Look at what rejection.
Brother man, look at that rejection on that daily R1, bro. Sheesh.
I think Shaq is in now. I wanted to short as well, but not so close to the news. because it's literally below the previous daily low. NASDAQ already down 0.5%. So I can almost guarantee you Shaq is in. I can... Dude, I think Shaq... wait.
Oh, nope.
Still not.
Still not.
Yo, that's odd. Because this thing diverged like a mother.
He is being disciplined.
Oh, is he being this? Is he waiting for... I think he's waiting for the news then.
Yeah, the thing is, Quentin, it's not a thing of, like, we're not making fun of it. Like, we're very close to Shaq, but the thing is, we know we strat. So...
It's always interesting.
That's how it's hard. Like when we'll be like, how he's not in, because we know his entry criteria. Hit stop loss and she melting love hate relationship. Hey, brother man, you in the same boat as Farbs today then.
Check there. Check there. So there, according to my entry criteria.
Yeah, I see it.
But I wasn't man enough now before the news. Like.
Now I'm not related to that person. Oh, okay, cool. Let's see.
40, yeah. I would have almost been done then. There. Yes. There. Okay, anyways.
Would you have taken that on the funded account or on?
Both. No, both.
I'm just working out what it would be on the funded account on indices.
34 lots. 34 lots.
Huh? 34 lots on...
34 lots.
Yo, okay.
Because remember the contract size is just one.
Yeah.
Okay, Chad.
I'm with you.
News in 3 minutes. No, 2 minutes. I'm just going to grab some water. My throat is dry. Okay, gold also coming back. Beautiful.
Come on. We're waiting for these sells here, guys. We want the sells. I took 2 shots at US30 miles around the EQ as I said it was going to the R1. And it charged me both times. Just wiki me now. Look at it. Almost 2,000 points up. Hey, bro. That's tough, bro. That is tough. Quarter 3% on gold this morning, though. Couldn't join the stream because I was sitting in court. Eish. Damn, bro. Hope everything's cool, though. What size account? I might have missed that part. Klebers, what size account are you talking about? When you guys started doing your wish, you had someone like yourselves to learn from. Yeah, bro. Honestly, I do wish. I would have saved me a lot of money. Keeks, pop me a call when you're free. Of course, bro. Love to catch up, my boy. Even tonight, I should have some free time tonight. And we have like a catch up, bro. The same. It's hard sore. Oh. Was I think is, guys, to be fair, I would have been clapped with you if I wasn't focused on the gold trade this morning. I probably would have been clapped in yesterday with you guys. That's honestly the only reason I didn't take it. I was locked in on gold, and I've always said to you guys, I personally don't like being in 2 different trades at the same time. Geeks, and I also yeah, it's alright. So NASDAQ at that support zone, guys. You just want to watch out for that. US 30 still rejecting nicely off that area and off the R1. Gold there. We got 20 seconds till news comes out. So let's see what that's going to do here. DXY trying to hold its feet here. DXY needs to get back above that 105,300 to really start bringing the pain here. So let's see, guys. Ooh. Guys, what do we say? Look at this thing. Yes. And now it's back up. Oh, my word, guys. People are getting blown up right here now. Holy crap. That's the thing, guys. Oh, 48.5. All right. Okay. 52.1. Yo. Okay, Chad. That was a bit harsh there. Yo, okay. That was a bit harsh. I think DXY is going to feel that one. So yeah, Chad, I think the bars might be on for us. We're going to see if it holds, but the bars look like they might be on. But yes, I think a lot of guys got hurt there quickly now. Group chat. Do you feel as a trader a lot of yourself time is taken? On my perspective, I feel it is worth it. I've done more self-care since starting. No, 100%. I do agree with that. Usually, if I catch you in okay, guys, just gonna let this calm a bit. So maybe after 5, even maybe a 15 candle, just let it settle itself, but then start looking for the trades. Yeah. I'm gonna come now, chat. I really need to just go pee quickly, but we are gonna be looking for the buys here now after that news.
Okay. What did the news do?
Oaks got blown up, bro.
How do you mean blown up?
Look at gold. So check on the 5. Gold did that. Bang, bang.
Chad, I hope you guys didn't take anything yet. Okay, what did the news do? Manufacturing PMIs coming out.
They were harsh, bro. Dollar took some shots there.
Dollar got clapped. US 30 is doing a number. Okay.
Yeah, as I say, guys, so we just want to see it. Personally, myself, I just wanted to see this like 5.15, just calm a bit down after the news, and then we're gonna start seeing what we can get into.
Yeah, Carl James, 2 mics, 1 stream. You know that. Christy, jy lyk moeg my maat. Nee, Etty. Nee, ek gaan nie sê ek's nie moeg nie. This weekend was quite intense getting basically 2 offices ready, because remember I had to give over that old office to the landlord, and if you know anything about me, I'm gonna make sure that office is in pristine condition, and it was up. We painted out that entire office, cleaned it up, so yeah, the landlord got it back better than she gave it to me, in all honesty.
Damn, brother man's used to survive, bro. He's still in the cells.
I think he entered again.
No, he's like, wait, he's trade survived by 10 points. But
sheesh. Okay, that's the news done, eh?
That's the news done, bro.
Yeah,
now it's time to lock in.
Chad, how did the hourly close? Give me 1 second, yeah. Hourly closed bearish. No bottom wick on this currently hourly.
Which candle? What are you looking at?
Gold. Do we take the break of these hours, geeks? It's too late anyway. Wait. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for 23.35. There's
Yeah,
still a lot of.
I'm still waiting, bro.
Chad, if you're very aggressive, the break of this news candle high, but the only thing is, I'm gonna quickly put on my screen, Keegs.
Go for it, bro.
Chad, this is the aggressive trade, but again, I would have loved if this candle closed above this previous resistance area here, and then I wanted to go long off the break there. But my only concern is it's still closed within that range. And secondly, there's no bottom wick on this 5. Alright, so if you go on the hourly, check here, hourly's got no bottom wick. So there's the outside possibility that this entire candle can still flip bearish.
Yeah, because my thing is, guys, just if you look, Chris, like, even if you go over, just look at the DXY candle on
Let's
the 5
quickly
minutes.
look at it. Oh, okay, yeah. I see.
So that thing was a massive wick and gap to the downside. But if that thing goes bullish now and goes up, you can see those moves to the downside coming, which you're talking about there.
Yeah, there's that key level we spoke about, 105.23. Let's quickly go back to gold.
And gold for me, I said to you, I've got that key level 2334.40, which these candles literally wicked now and are rejecting off of. So those
Is that the
sells
daily
aren't
key
off
level?
the table yet.
Yeah. I said it very simple, chat. Sells below 23.25, buys above 23.30. These are my 2 zones. Anything in between here, chop zone here. This is the chop zone.
Gold rejecting right at the monthly pivot. Wait, where's the monthly pivot?
Are you for real now? Let's see. Yeah, you check my monthly pivots and stuff. It's not showing. Let
No,
me
but they
just
switched
check.
off. You must turn them on. Mine's just off. I need to go turn it on.
Are you serious?
Monthly
Show.
pivots.
Oh yeah, show monthly yearly pivot.
Oh, damn. We are right on the monthly pivots.
Yeah, there we go. Crisp
Ooh.
monthly P.
Okay, that just got interesting now.
Yeah, Chad, that is a little EQ holding, daily pivot holding, monthly pivot. Okay, Chad, very simple
That
for me.
got interesting now.
Very simple for me, Chad. Look here, that there, gold. Just need this. I would love if this closes bearish. Next 5 minutes, close bearish, and we get something like that. Little bottom wick, retest the monthly pivot, and we're gone.
What, for bars?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this is the monthly high. Because remember, we're in a new month.
Yeah.
So we in a new month.
What is our monthly looking like at the moment?
Chad, you know when I take a trade and I go and pee and read a TP, but have we ever tested when I have to go and poo? What happens then? Does that become a swing trade? Is that a swing trade?
I don't think you're going to make it back in time for the entry, bro.
Bro, does that become a swing trade then? Do we hit swing TPs? Yes, 100% LLC, Carl James. Then it becomes a swing, Chad. US 30, look at that, Chad. That is your daily R1.
Shit swings.
Shit swings. I cannot believe that what's her name is not in, bro. Look at that, Keeks. That would have been a trade done there. Look there.
I don't know how he's not in on that, bro. I don't know.
That is technically Shaq should have been in and out done. Already posting the IG reels.
Yeah, I don't know how he's not in on that one.
All right. Okay. Here we go. What are you looking for on gold?
Honestly, bro, I think the sells are game right now.
The bigger the draw, the bigger the lot size. Hey, to be honest, I still think gold is gonna go down. Peter, it can. That's the thing. What I was talking about. This hourly can still very much flip bearish. Look at that. Is this thing going for? There we go. This thing is going. Okay. Wait. Gold is going after taking the previous hourly high. This thing is going for that bottom wick. Do it.
That's what I say, bro. I think
Do
this
it.
thing can sell.
Do it. Take the bottom. Wait. Let's see it visually.
If this thing flips, bro, if they close at this 15, if it closes bearish and takes out the lows, I'll take the sell.
In a gold cell already. Interesting.
Yeah, there we go. Flip, flip, flip.
It's gone. I'm waiting for a bottom wick on the hour, then long. I'm still leaning long, to be honest.
For me, it's just about how we close.
I'm still, Chad, you know how I feel about the 200. The 200 on gold is a key level. We've spoken about it multiple times. You cannot ignore the 200. Even our trade this morning was taken off the 200 on both instances. So while we're trading above it, I am always going to be looking long and strong. And again, remember what I said before the news. The ideal scenario is that we hold this box. This is the box that I want to see us hold for those potential longs. So
your DXY coming back, bro. NASDAQ, USD taking shots.
Alright, DXY.
Bringing the pain.
Chad, you got... Okay, they previous daily, I don't know if you were trading, let's see, 1 minute. Yeah, I don't know if you even traded the 1 minute. But anyways, are you telling me Shaq did not take those shorts? That is a textbook Shaq short.
No, I don't know.
That is a textbook. Like, I think
he knows he missed it and he can't get a re-entry.
He would have literally hit the 3R on that.
That's what I'm
because
saying.
He would, look at that. He would have targeted that. Check there.
Yeah. No, that's a perfect entry on his strategy, bro. That's what I'm saying. I think he knows he missed it.
Yeah,
he's just not
maybe it's
that,
Monday,
he knows
month.
he missed it.
Yeah.
All right. Come on. Give us a close.
Okay.